my darling Fumi Nation. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you are so very welcome indeed, my darlings. Indeed and indeed and indeed. Welcome to the month of December. Before we start, what am I wearing? We're doing jeans today, my darlings. Let me get up. So what do we think, my darlings? And you know what? This is kind of in style with the big cuff at the bottom. I am living and loving, and it's just a jean jacket. Can you see me? A jean jacket, simple, boxy, which I like, and then jeans. And I'm loving. I am living and loving. It's kind of cute, and I thought, why not? So, my darlings, let me start by saying that we have a lovely retreat for you for October of 2025, and it is going to be hosted none other than the fabulous Nina. It is called Media Magic. Darlings, you are going to live and love this so very much that there are going to be no words that you can express. You're going to Mykonos, Greece, darling, and there you're going to learn about media. You're also going to relax as an R&R. You're going to live and love it, and it's being announced now so that you can have enough time to save your coin. The link is below, and you go right ahead and treat yourself. Okay, my darlings? Goody gumdrops. You ask me about my hair. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. This is none other than Hair Studio by ENITAN. Healthy hair, darling. A fantastic black-owned brand. A trichologist who turned my traction alopecia into crowning glory. There is no day I go out and somebody does not compliment me on my hair. Not a single time. Use my discount code Fumi, and I will continue to put shorts up, and I'll continue to answer all of your questions. She ships internationally. Yes, my darling. She ships to the United States. Yes, my darling. The link is below this video. It is right there. I also put it for you, her website. I also put the Instagram, because a lot of you ask me, and I'm saying to myself, are they not able to see that I have put the information there for you? She is constantly busy. She has people coming from all over the world to see her at her flagship store. And again, like I said, I'm 55, and I just found a little gray hair the other day. I think I posted it here on YouTube. Guys, I was just doing my hair, and then can you see that little gray? It's coming, guys. Oh my God. Can you see the gray right there? I was just combing my hair, put it in my little plaits, and then I saw my little friend. Look. I'm getting older, guys. Oh. And I'm not going to color it. I'm going to keep it there. I've earned it. I've earned it out here in these streets. All right, I'll see you later. Bye. Look at I'm a mess. Ciao. Mwah. And like I said, at this age and stage in my life where I'm peripausal, I should have hair thinning. I should have hair falling out because I'm getting older. It's the opposite. It has been the thickest that it has ever been. And this is just facts. And every woman loves her what? Her crowning glory. So here we are, my darlings. As the last month of December, I have decided to dedicate the episodes going forward, majority of them, to you, my darling Fumi Nation. I want you to put all of your questions below, all of your queries below, pleasant or unpleasant, it does not matter. This is an open platform where we discuss. And so if you leave a comment publicly for me, I will publicly address it. I want to thank you for a wonderful year. We're in sort of a countdown now, and because of that, I've decided that why not dedicate the rest of the episodes to Fumi Nation. I want to hear your questions. I want to know what you think. You deserve to ask questions. You're allowed to ask questions. I will also ask questions of you, and I will also answer questions from you, pleasant as well as unpleasant. and also to clarify on a few things. I don't mind that at all, baby. We're here to kiki. We're here to have fun. Why not? Let us enjoy it and let us have a good time coming out of 2024. So the first question I'm going to ask you, and you put it down in the comment section, was 2024 good to you? I put a poll right there in community, and I said to you guys, do you want us to have sister to sister topics and story time, which I know you very much love, or do you want to have hot topics and diddy? The numbers were glaringly obvious. So now I'm going to read one of the questions that one of our Fumi Nation sisters left for me, and I said, okay, I will respond to you, my love. So she says here, Fumi, I have to say that you're a hypocrite. You use all of these noble words of bringing us positivity and how you want to guide the next generation. But it's only been a month since you have not one or two, but 3 videos calling YouTuber Nikki Thot, as in that I'm calling Nikki a thought. Doesn't that mean that hoe over there? That doesn't sound respectful to me. How do you respect Maria, who's biracial, but disrespect your fellow dark, black sister? I've heard you use Jehovah's name, thanking him for saving you from the woes of Hollywood. How do you think he feels about you using your platform this way? In a video maybe 9 months ago, you said black women are the most disrespected women on the earth. Why do you choose to add to the hate? I've watched your channel for years, but I recently subscribed to help you reach 1 million subs. But why should I and every other black woman support someone who talks about both sides of her mouth? Everyone makes mistakes, but remember, life and death are in the power of the tongue. Proverbs 8:21. If you have any remorse and humility, you will at least retitle your video and give her the public apology she deserves. Take your own advice and leave the judgments to God. You know, when I started YouTube, I was a small channel, and I was 45, as a lot of you might know, and I was a small channel for 8 years, maybe 8.5 years, up until I did the backless bra hack. And I love me completely. And when I see another black woman, I love her because I see me in her. And I always hope that she sees me also in her, as I see her in me. I will not and ever disrespect another woman across the board, whether she's black, whether she's dark-skinned, whether she's white, whether she's Asian. I so very much wanted daughters. And so because of that, majority of you, I take you as my daughter. And I'm so happy that I started this channel later in life. Let me close the window because I think it's making too much noise. Hold on. Alright, I opened the other window. So, as I was saying, and so I would never ever disrespect a fellow woman, because I feel that I know a lot of the challenges we go through. I'm very strong. I'm a very strong individual. I always have been that way. I know who I am, and I'm not intimidated by anything. And I think because I do know who I am, and I am not intimidated by anything or anyone, I am so generous in extending grace, compliments, uplifting, and shining light on another person, especially my women, because I have seen through my life that sometimes they're just not as bold as I am or fearless. I can walk from everything. I can walk away knowing I can build myself back up. And I know not all women are like that. Not because I'm better, not because she's worse, not because of anything. It's just because I am the way that I am. And so for modeling, I can build myself back up. For my acting, if I let that go, I can build myself back up. From YouTube, if I walked away, I can build myself back up. And so it's, for me, I want to constantly inspire. I want to motivate. But I think above all else, I want to really let you believe that whatever you're so afraid of on the other side is nothing. It's all in your head, it's all in your mind. And so when I got this message, I was so happy to get it at this stage of my life where not upset, annoyed, none of that at all. It's more to say, I want my sister to know me and to know that I could never, ever, ever, ever talk about another woman like that. To show her that if you see anything, double check. Do a little bit of research. Find out who this other Nikki person, Fumi, is talking about. Because in so doing, sometimes you will find the answers to the questions that you are asking, or before you condemn somebody. I want her to understand that the approach is something that she should never use in her own life, because it could shortchange opportunities for you in relationships, in job opportunities, because you in your mind absolutely thought one thing, and that is not the case. It's also a matter of languages. That's why I always say traveling is such an education, because what it might mean for you one way might be something else for me. The other day, somebody said when I plaited my hair, oh, these are Bantu knots. And I said, oh, is that what you call them? Because we call them little plaits. Do you understand what I'm saying? Anyway, I digress. I don't know whether any of you know Nikki on social media. Nikki was married to Jamie. Do you remember? And they've got two beautiful little girls. What my wonderful Fumi sister does not know, and why did I bring this up and why did I do this episode, is because this is not the first, second, or third time I have gotten a message like this about Nikki. And so I tell you, my darling sister, Nikki's last name is Thot. If you Google it, it will come up. I would never ever call her any disparaging name, and I would never say that on a platform at all. Nikki's last name is Nikki Thot. If you had just taken the time to check and Google her, to do your research, you would have seen that Fumi was not calling her names. That in actual fact, that is her last name. But because in America, Thot is used in this way, you did not step outside of your culture, you stayed close-minded, and you assumed that Thot is that. Whereas Thot could be a slew of different meanings throughout this world. I am so grateful to have been born in one country, raised in another, to be a dual citizen of being British and American, to have a husband who's Norwegian, and at the same time have my African roots. You know why? Because love is universal. Because no matter how many languages we speak, love is universal. And so when somebody says something to me, good or bad actually, I always wonder, where is this person from? I say that all the time. Where are you from? Where did you grow up? Because I want to understand your mindset. And so it's not her fault that she thought I was calling somebody else, a thought. She did not know. And she was standing in solidarity for other women because she knows that Nikki is dark-skinned. And because I lived in America for 20 years, I actually saw it. The black woman was disrespected, not only in America, in the world. And I think because of that, I kicked against it. And I hear sometimes people say, oh, Fumi is the exception. I am not the exception. I just refused to accept what I was being told. And that was why I decided to do this episode, to clear the air. I ignored it until I began to see that there were more people actually, confronting me in the comment section and telling me that I was calling this woman this, that, and the third. Whereas that is not the case. I think Nikki is phenomenal. And that's another thing. If you watch the videos of Nikki, you know how much in support I am of her. So you would have really been stumped and said, well, if she called her a thought, but she's here supporting Nikki and she's so happy that Nikki is expecting another child, then why would she call her a thought? It wouldn't add up. Do you see what I'm saying? I want us in general, take a breath. If you see something, don't jump straight to the keyboard and accuse somebody, accuse anybody. Take a breath, catch a breath, and say, where is this person? What are they talking about? What culture? What language? Where are they from? Because you more often than not will realize that it's just cultural difference. Nikki's last name is Thot. How you did not know that, I don't know. I don't know. It's very strange to me. But again, I get it. Her last name, her maiden name, is Nikki Thot. When she married Jamie, she became Nikki Perkins. But when they divorced, she went back to her maiden name. So that is all that I have to say, my darlings. I love you. And let me just see, what was her name here? Tammy Upton 6257. I love you. I do love you. And I appreciate the question. I know I'm not a hypocrite. I stand on business. I stand for what I say. And I absolutely appreciate the apology. Forgiven, forgotten. I just wanted to clear that it's a cultural thing. So we have to understand that we are not the world. There are other countries, other languages, and they all mean different things. Do not forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button, and I will see you what? I will see you sooner than later. All of my love.